Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Drive file uploading problem. Alright guys, here I have opened my Google Drive application on my phone, and I'm going to upload a file to my Google Drive. So we can tap on the new button, then tap on upload, and then for example, I'm going to upload my document. This is the document that I want to upload. Tap on the document and just wait for a moment. Wait guys. Okay, and it's still preparing to upload one file. Now as you see that the uploading process hasn't started yet, and I'm going to tap on this button and it doesn't work as well. And I'm going to show you the tips to fix this problem. So you can go to the Google Drive setting, tap on this three lines button, and then you're going to tap on settings and just scroll down, and you have to disable this feature, transfer files only over Wi-Fi. Just tap on this toggle button to turn it off. Then you will get this data usage warning, and just tap on OK. Then we can go back to the previous section, and I'm going to upload the same file. So we can tap on new and tap on upload and just wait. Okay, I'm going to upload this file as well. Alright, and hold on. Okay, and now the uploading process has been started, and we have to wait until the file is uploaded. Okay, and now the file has been uploaded, and I guess that's how we can fix a Google Drive file uploading problem. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.